Materials required: insulated copper wire, battery, cutter or blade, bar magnet, two safety pins. Wind the insulated copper wire to make a circular coil. Scrape both ends of the circular coil. Insert two ends of the coil in two holes of the safety pins. Connect the two pins of the other ends to the positive and negative terminals. Hold the bar magnet just above the coil. Coil begins to rotate in clockwise direction. Principle of electric motor. When current is supplied to the coil, which is between the magnets, it will rotate. Here, for this experiment, battery is supplying current to the circular coil and one magnet is enough for this experiment. Now reverse the coil ends. Reverse the coil ends. Coil begins to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. If you change the polarity of the bar magnet, changing the polarity of the bar magnet, again the coil rotates in clockwise direction. Here, electric energy is converted into mechanical energy. Once again, changing the ends of the coil. Again, if you change the ends of the coil, it begins to rotate in anti-clockwise. Observe it. Same polarity of the magnet. If you change the ends of the coil, it begins to in opposite direction, it rotates. Again the coil rotates in the clockwise direction.